Amid rising protests in Sri Lanka over the unprecedented economic crisis, Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa on Wednesday offered to hold talks with the agitators who are demanding resignation of President Gotabaya Rajapaksa and all members of his family from the government. The protests entered its fifth day on Wednesday, and since it began on Saturday, it was carried out round the clock by youths demanding a total transformation of the corrupt political culture which they claim has been prevailing in the island nation since it gained independence from Britain in 1948. According to a statement from the Prime Minister's office, Rajapaksa is willing to hold discussions with the protesting youths. The statement noted that if the protesters are ready for talks, he would extend an invitation for their representatives to meet for discussions.